Alright guys, what's going on? Coming live from the little Grom session here in beautiful Chicago, Illinois. It is absolutely freezing out here, so before I even get into this video, give it a like because I'm out here freezing my you-know-what's off to make these stuff for you. Today, I wanted to do a cool little video on how to shift in a wheelie. I had a lot of people asking in the comments about it. I just got this Grom and I was like, oh, what a perfect opportunity to get into this video. But first, I got to give a special shout out to the sponsor of this video, Amino Apps. Amino is pretty much a place where guys like me and you can connect, motorcycle enthusiasts, off-road enthusiasts. You can always find me over there, taking one of the quizzes, voting on polls, and just looking into our sport more. There's a lot of experts on there that know a lot more about this stuff than myself or you do. So with the combined knowledge of each other, we learn a lot. Head over to my Amino profile. I'm going to put a poll up on there exclusive to this video. So get over to the Amino, download it, and make sure to come over to my profile, say what's up, and vote on my poll. Let's get into the video. Guys, right away off the bat, I'm gonna have to apologize for not having the microphone set up properly. Hopefully the microphone in and of itself is not that bad, and the Grom isn't too loud. There we go. So I just clicked them all the way from first to fourth. So I'm going to break down this step. Hopefully, in theory, it doesn't sound too hard. Yes, it can bite you in the you-know-what, because when you engage the clutch, all your engine braking is gone. So the only brake you have is your foot brake. So all of a sudden, your foot brake becomes really, really powerful. Or your handbrake if you're shifting with your handbrake. Don't really know when you would do that, but whatever. They become very, very, very powerful. So first things first is, of course, you need to learn how to get the balance point and then go a little bit past it. So you need to know where it is. There's balance point. There's a little bit past it. Now, a little bit past balance point is that weightlessness where you might want to think about hitting the brake to control it. And at that exact point is when we're pulling in the clutch. So there's balance point a little bit past. A little bit past. So you want to get to that point and know that point well, because at the end of the day, if you can't do that, shifting in a wheelie is impossible. So getting up to balance point, going past it, there you go. Step number one. Step number two is actually engaging your clutch, or disengaging your clutch, I should say. So go past it, holding in the clutch, holding in the clutch, holding in the clutch. So practice that, control that, make sure you can stay in that for a couple seconds and feel comfortable. That is, in theory, when you could, throw back the throttle and but this Grom does not have an oil pickup, so I'm not going to blow this motor just yet. And you can bring this thing all the way down to 1 mile an hour just by pulling in that clutch. So there you go. There's step number two. Just pulling in your clutch. We got some awesome Grom guys out here, by the way. Some of the local guys. Super cool. They're all on stunt Groms, but I want to show you what I'm working with. It's 100% stock Grom. Literally stock besides an exhaust. There's no 12 bar, there's no nothing. The other thing is as stock as it gets. Literally stock. So once, as always, don't come at me with some craziness of, oh, that's a stunt Grom, that's why you can do it. So whatever. And then of course the third step is going to be putting them all together, guys. This is you going past balance point. You can start first, second, you can go to second to third, whatever. So we'll start first, go back, click second, let out. There we are. Now we find ourselves in second. Let's click to third, pass, third. There's third. Now you can just hold it back and glide if you want. Glide it all the way to a stop at third. Guys, I'm really not kidding when I say it is cold out here. For you West Coast people, this is something I like to call snow. You see it? See that? It's nice, thick, extra cold. Yeah, my hands are already really warm, so I needed to cool them off from all the riding I'm doing. But yeah, that's snow. So I'm doing my best to talk right now, but I am pretty cold and I'm kind of focused. But I wanted to bring you guys still a video, a cool new kind of video of something on a Grom, because I haven't done anything on a Grom in almost a year. So, and I am, honest to God, I'm just enjoying having one back. I think they're fun as hell. Come back. Woo! Woo! So much fun. But yeah, guys, I love having one of these. They're so much fun, and they're just, you can throw them around and it's not a huge deal. So guys, concept being, big bike, little bike, whatever, you can do this on it. Preferably sit down, because in case things do go wrong and you do have to slam on the brake, you're not getting mousetrapped. I don't know if I'm going to slam on the brake for you guys or not. Sounds a little bit much. Mousetrap myself in a how-to video, that'd be awesome. Try downshifting for you. Go. Downshift in the first gear. Traction's perfect over here, all the ice. Alright guys, I guess I'll be the one to just apologize right here, right now, that this isn't a super long video. It's not. It is what it is. It's not a complicated skill. However, it's one of the skills that could get you screwed up the most, probably right behind stoppies. It's not at the level of stoppies, but it could definitely get you screwed up just at that same kind of level. Woo! Stock sprocket circles. Stock sprocket circles. I can't even think, I'm so cold. My hands are like numb and I'm trying to work a clutch. It is what it is, guys. If you love riding, and I know a lot of you guys do, I know some of you guys, some of my guys overseas, I get in the comments saying that they're riding in like -20. So I got nothing to complain about, because it's like, it's pretty nice today, I guess, compared to that, because it's like 15. And yeah, the air-cooled motors love it. So get out there, show your bike some salt, make sure you wash it off afterwards. And there you go, that's how to shift in your wheelies, guys. This is Brian636 signing out. Peace.